Hello food lovers! Today we are going to make a cloud bread recipe. It's trending everywhere. Instagram, TikTok.
But is it really worth it? Let's check it out.
Bake it for 30 minutes in 150 degrees centigrade.
Now our bread is ready. So let's take it out from oven.
This looks really fluffy. If you're looking for an Instagram picture, then cloud bread is one of that. But if you really like to eat it as a breakfast or lunch, so just remember, it tastes very eggy and it's not so tasty.
Here, I'm adding some Nutella and pistachios.
Hope you all like this video and we'll see you in next video. Oh wait, click on the bell notification and subscribe to get new notifications from Kitchen Web YouTube channel.